Think traveling as a senior means you can wear whatever feels comfortable? Think again. Your outfit choice could be the difference between a smooth journey and a travel nightmare that ruins your entire trip. Most senior travelers make critical clothing mistakes that trigger security delays, cause serious health issues, and turn simple flights into exhausting ordeals. Today, I'm revealing the smart outfit strategies that will transform your travel experience from stressful to seamless. Let's start with the foundation of smart senior travel dressing. Your clothing should work for you, not against you. The key is choosing pieces that prioritize comfort, safety, and efficiency while still looking put together. The best travel outfits for seniors follow three essential principles: easy movement, temperature control, and security checkpoint friendliness. First, let's talk about the perfect travel top. Choose breathable fabrics like cotton blends or moisture-wicking materials that adapt to changing cabin temperatures. Layering is absolutely crucial for senior travelers. Start with a comfortable base layer like a soft cotton tee or lightweight long-sleeve shirt. Add a cardigan or zip-up hoodie that you can easily remove or put on as temperatures fluctuate. Airplane cabins can drop to surprisingly cold temperatures, especially for seniors who tend to feel chilly more quickly. Your bottom half deserves equal attention. Comfortable pants with a slight stretch are your best friend. Think travel-friendly khakis, soft cotton pants, or yoga-style trousers that don't restrict circulation. Avoid anything too tight around the waist or legs, as sitting for extended periods can cause swelling and discomfort. The fabric should have enough give to accommodate natural body changes during long flights. Footwear is where many senior travelers make their biggest mistakes. Your shoes need to serve multiple purposes: comfort for walking through airports, easy removal for security, and safety for potential emergencies. Choose supportive slip-on shoes or sneakers with minimal laces. Your feet may swell during flights, so avoid anything too snug. Consider bringing compression socks to improve circulation and reduce the risk of blood clots, which is especially important for seniors. Color choices matter more than you might think. Darker, neutral colors like navy, charcoal, or deep brown help you blend in and look polished without drawing unwanted attention. These colors also hide minor spills or wrinkles better than lighter shades. Save bright colors for small accessories that can be easily removed if needed. Now, here's something crucial that could save you time, money, and frustration. If you found this information helpful so far, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. I share insider travel tips specifically designed for senior travelers every week. Also, give this video a thumbs up to help other smart seniors discover these game-changing travel tips. Let's dive deeper into accessories that work for senior travel. Keep jewelry minimal and easy to remove. TSA screening becomes much smoother when you're not fumbling with complicated clasps or multiple pieces. Choose a simple watch, small earrings, and perhaps one necklace that doesn't contain metal. Leave valuable jewelry at home or pack it securely in your carry-on bag. Your carry-on outfit strategy should include pockets, but not too many. 2 secure pockets maximum work best for essentials like your ID and boarding pass. Avoid cargo pants or vests with multiple pockets, as these can trigger additional security screening and slow down your journey. Temperature regulation becomes increasingly important as we age. Airplane cabins are notoriously cold, often maintained between 65 and 68 degrees. Pack a lightweight scarf or wrap that can double as a blanket. Choose fabrics that breathe but also provide warmth when needed. Merino wool is excellent for this purpose, as it regulates temperature naturally. Consider the practical aspects of your outfit throughout your entire journey. Can you easily use airplane bathrooms while wearing this clothing? Can you reach your feet to tie shoes if needed? Can you move quickly in an emergency situation? These aren't just comfort considerations, they're safety factors that become more important with age. Compression garments deserve special attention for senior travelers. Compression socks or stockings can significantly reduce the risk of blood clots and leg swelling during long flights. Choose medical-grade compression if you have circulation issues, but even light compression helps most travelers feel more comfortable. Your travel outfit should also consider your destination's climate. Dress for your departure weather, but pack layers for your arrival conditions. This strategy prevents overheating or being underdressed when you reach your destination. Fabric care matters during travel. Choose wrinkle-resistant materials that maintain their appearance even after hours of sitting. Cotton blends, polyester mixes, and certain synthetic fabrics travel well and require minimal maintenance. Security checkpoint preparation starts with your outfit choice. Avoid belts with large metal buckles, shoes with complex lacing systems, or clothing with excessive zippers or metal embellishments. The smoother your security experience, the less stressful your overall journey becomes. Finally, consider bringing backup comfort items. Pack extra socks, a change of underwear, and a fresh top in your carry-on bag. Flight delays, spills, or unexpected circumstances won't derail your comfort when you're prepared. Your travel outfit is your first line of defense against the challenges of modern air travel. By choosing clothing that prioritizes comfort, safety, and practicality, you set yourself up for a successful journey from start to finish. Smart senior travelers know that the right outfit can make the difference between arriving refreshed and arriving exhausted. Take these strategies on your next trip and experience the transformation for yourself. Safe travels, and remember that preparation leads to better travel experiences at every age.